On the hunt for the perfect gift idea? Well, be sure to stay tuned because today I'm taking you along with me as I put together 3 unique gift ideas that are sure to make someone's day. Hi, thanks for clicking on today's video. My name is Jackie and this is My Magical Home, a place where I like to create all kinds of homemaking content to share with you. And today I've got a couple gift ideas for you. So I'm actually putting these gifts together for Mother's Day, but the best part about it is they are good for so many other gift ideas. You can do it as a hostess gift, a birthday gift, just because gift, and so much more. So I've only got a couple ideas. This video should be pretty short, but I hope that you stick around and enjoy it. And if you haven't already joined my YouTube family, don't forget to hit that button down below and join today. So the first gift that we're going to be putting together today is actually going to be for my mother-in-law. And you know, she's had a ton going on lately, especially with her health. So I thought that the perfect thing for her this year was a nice self-care basket. So let me show you what I put inside. As you can see, I only put a couple items into these baskets today. I wanted to keep it simple, but with good quality items. And speaking of which, look at this bucket that I picked up from World Market. I thought it was so cute. Look at the little hummingbirds and the flowers. I love the attention to detail. Now let's talk about what I'm putting inside of it, of course. I like to start off with a candle because I feel like it just sets the ambiance for some nice self-love and relaxation. Now the scent of this is called Restore, and it is a chamomile peony one. And it is just perfect scent for like that spring summer vibe. Now, in addition to that, I picked up some Viral Cloud socks. Now, if you haven't tried these are so soft and they're just a great thing to have around for those cozy days when you're laying around trying to feel better or just hanging around the house. And it's in a really nice soft pink color too, so I think she's really gonna like that. I also picked up a weighted eye pillow for her. Now this is filled with lavender and flaxseed, and not only does it have a washable cover, which I think is like key, it also can be put into the refrigerator or into the microwave, so it can be used as hot or cold therapy, and I think that that's just a great idea. And to finish this gift off, I did pick up this cute cup from World Market as well with all of these butterflies and flowers because, you know, it's important to stay hydrated, but it's also great if you're doing it out of something that looks super cute, right? So let's go ahead and put this together. It did actually come with a little stuffing kit as well that I'm going to be trying to use. You will see in a minute. The bag was way too small for the basket that it came with, but c'est la vie, I'll save that for another occasion. As I said earlier, this bag is way too small. I actually found it kind of comical because there's no way, even if nothing was in this basket, could I shove it in there. So, oh well, c'est la vie. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of this gift idea. So I think that self-care baskets are so important because so often we're so busy and we're always willing to give time and energy to other people, but sometimes I feel like we need that little reminder to give that care to ourselves as well. And you know, I feel like it's a great gift to tell somebody, I think you're fantastic and wonderful and I think you deserve that time. And so I really love to make self-care bundles. There is obviously a little bit of extra room here in the front. I will be making some fresh cookies to put in there, but I want to wait until the last minute so that they're at their best. Other things that you could put here though would be some shower steamers. You could add a nice lotion or room spray. You could do bath bombs or something like that. The sky's the limit. And so I think that that's something really amazing with self-care bundles. There's so many different options that you could add. Another would be face masks or foot masks or hand masks. Let me know, what do you guys like to put in your self-care baskets? Let me know in the comments down below. My next basket is, of course, for my mom, and she is so fantastic in the kitchen. She just really has a gift. Everything she makes seems to taste wonderful. And so I thought that something that kind of carried through with that love would be the perfect gift for her this year. So this gift would actually also be really great as a hostess gift, as I mentioned earlier, birthday gift, and so much more. I am so excited to show you what I got her. I will link all of the available items in the description below in case you guys are interested in picking up any of the gift ideas that I'm showing you today. Now let's talk about what's in here. Check out the grain on this beautiful olive wood spoon. I just absolutely love the quality of the spoons that I get from World Market, so I'm really excited to give my mom one. And then I also picked up this herb towel for her. Now this is one of those like organic cotton, like really thin towels that I so great in the kitchen because they don't put off a whole bunch of lint. And in addition to that, I picked up this beautiful rosemary plant. I felt like it was a kind of a finishing touch for this foodie gift. And then, of course, there is the pièce de résistance, the beautiful Mason Cash in the Forest Collection batter bowl. Now, I am a big fan of Mason Cash, and so I am so excited to be sharing that with my mom and giving this to her, especially because she's kind of on a pancake and waffle kick right now. So this is absolutely perfect. But let's go ahead and put this together. I'm going to use a piece of tissue paper to kind of create a little barrier for the bottom of my rosemary so it doesn't get the towel wet. And then we're just going to shove everything in here, and it looks so cute and perfect, and I can't wait to give it to my mom. Okay, so I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this gift idea. As I said earlier, I think it would be really great for so many different people. If you know a chef, or if you have like a birthday coming up for somebody, or you need a good hostess gift, or even like an anniversary gift, something like that, this is absolutely perfect. And the best part about it is it's simple, but it has really high quality items that someone is really going to be able to cherish for years to come. Okay, so this next gift, I probably shouldn't know what's inside, but I'm a little bit of a spoiled princess, so I'm going to give you a sneak peek into what I'm getting for Mother's Day this year, and to say I'm excited is a dramatic understatement. And I am proud to introduce the Mason Cash in the Forest collection. Oh my goodness, I am so in love. I've wanted these bowls forever. As you can see, there's a small bowl here, and even it has the really cute embossing on it. The batter bowl matches my mom's with the owls, and they're up on the little tree branches. I got a couple wooden spoons with that beautiful olive grain in them, because I do absolutely love those spoons. And so in addition to that, look at the beautiful detail on this large mixing bowl. It even has a mama and a baby fox. I am so in love with it. There are not enough words, and I'm so glad that my husband let me show you guys this because I have just been so excited about it. But as you can see, I got this eco shred as well from World Market, and we are going to go ahead and put that in between the different layers of bowls so that they don't chip each other. It would suck to not even get this yet and to accidentally break one, right? And I do love to use that eco shred because if I use the plastic kind, my cats will come and try to eat it, and that is so bad for them. So that is why I choose to use this weird paper stuff, and it is actually compostable too, which I thought was pretty cool. Okay, so first off, thank you to my husband for allowing me to show this to everybody early because it's not technically mine yet, but I love to show the idea. I do feel like it is a super fancy, lovely gift to get, and I have wanted these in the forest Mason Cash bowls for a very long time, and I cannot express how utterly excited I am to make something inside of them. And I love that my mom has the matching batter bowl. I think it gives like a little bit of a special bond thing there, and so yeah, let me know, do you guys like Mason Cash, or am I just some weird freak for this British pottery company? Anyways, this is where I'm going to end today's video. I hope that you got some inspiration from the gift ideas I shared today. Let me know what you guys are getting for Mother's Day this year, or what other gift ideas you guys might like to see in the future. Anyways, I hope that you have an absolutely magical day, my friends. Until next time.